Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you haven't seen me before, my name is Tisha, and on this channel we discuss social work, natural beauty, and healthy living. So if any of these topics sound like something that you're interested in, please keep watching. So today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on applying the Diva nail stickers. And for some reason, these are like the gel edition of those nail stickers, which I didn't really see any difference. However, if you follow along in this video, you'll see how I applied them. Just so you know, I had already did a manicure, and I will link either up here or over there the card for how I do manicure at home. I would love for you to follow me over on Instagram, where you can find me at Tisha Wade MSW, and over there I upload a lot more frequently about those same topics: social work, natural beauty, and healthy living. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. I purchased these stickers at TJ Maxx, which to me had the best price, but they are also sold at Ulta Beauty. They're sold on the Dashing Diva website and Target. They may even be at Walmart. As far as the lasting power, the application of those gel stickers lasts me about 2 weeks.